Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on, man? It's your boy T right here, man. And yes, your boy is back with another sneaker video. All right, it's not the sneaker you would think, some J's and things like that, man. We have some sneakers that you would never, ever think that would be hot like this. But listen, man, if you haven't been looking or checking out any of the New Balances, this is where it's at right now. All right, so we got spring right around the corner. And I must say, I think these sneakers here would be the perfect pair to wear during the springtime, especially if you like to work out, like to jog, anything like that, any outside activities as far as, doing like workouts and things like that. This would be the perfect sneaker for you right here. And I must say, man, New Balances, man, are actually doing a big come up, man. So these right here, man, let's go ahead and pull them out. Let's go take a look at them real fast. Like I said, man, these pretty hot. I think they're pretty cool. Nice little spring sneaker. So what we have here right now is the New Balance 2002R Night Tides. All right, this is a collab with the J.Crew. I think my wife, she had another pair as well. She did on her channel. If you haven't, man, check out Sneaker Mom. But yeah, man, I mean, just take a look at them. I mean, if you're a runner, man, if you like to exercise, walk, run, do any outside activity, things like this, man, listen, man, this is a perfect sneaker for you, man, especially for the springtime coming up, man. I think this is a real good sneaker. Very comfortable, man. And I mean, the bottom sole of it is very squishy, man. I mean, this is very, it's made for running. I mean, and as you can see on the sneaker, it says, it's a running shoe. So let's just jump right into it, man. We have the blue suede material going all the way around the sneaker. We got like a brownish or light brown, you would say, as you can see right here on the sneaker as well. Gray trimming as well. But if you just, like I said, if you flip it around and look, like I said, you still have the actual, brown right there as well. You got the brown in the end as well. I mean, again, man, this is a pretty cool sneaker. I don't know what kind of, a nice little dark bluish, I would say. It's nice, a very nice sneaker if you are a runner. And also don't forget, you got the 2002R on the side as well. And again, man, same with the other sneaker, man. I think it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I think, again, if you are a New Balance person, because back in my days growing up, New Balance was 2 for $100. You know what I'm saying? That was the thing. But now they are jumped up, big time. New Balance is running over 100 plus right now. And I mean, like I said, I pretty much said it again and again, over and over. But this is well worth buying. Again, if you like a comfortable shoe. So if you're looking for a comfortable shoe right now, definitely look into getting yourself a New Balance 2002R, the Night Tides. Like I said, the J.Crew collab. Definitely get that, man. You can't beat it, man. The nice toe box right here. All this is blue. The string, the lace is blue. You got the brown as well in there, the brown trimming as well. And it also comes with another pair of laces too. It has the brown laces with it. And honestly, I think the brown laces make it look pretty cool with it. You let me know in the comments. You let me know what y'all think, how the brown may look. But yeah, I think these here, man, I think you would truly enjoy having a pair of these. All right, I know it's not the typical Jordan, and it's not the Yeezys and things like that, but I'm telling you guys, invest on a pair of these, and I promise you, you will love these. All right, I'm telling you, man. If you go somewhere and you're having a nice little a walking distance, you got to walk, man. There you have it. These are one, man. These are the one. All right. So like I said, a little short video, just to let you all know that if you're looking for a comfy pair of sneakers, there you have it. The New Balance 2002R Night Tides. Like I said, the J.Crew collab. Definitely, man, check them out, man. Again, man, I truly appreciate all the love and support, man. Again, I apologize. We haven't had a lot of sneaker videos coming, but we got some more on the way. And hey, man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for your boy. And yeah, man, we got more on the way, man. Again, man.